So, I am going to read you a story. What do I do before I read my story? What do I do? About Spot. Okay. Spot goes to the park. And this book was written by Eric Hill. Spot! Spot! Where are you? Oh, look where Spot is! Oh, hello, Spot. Can I keep him, please? Thank you. Move, magic bag, move. Thank you. So this is the story about Spot. Hello. Oh, look who's with Spot. Spot has a friend. It's a hippopotamus, and we can say hippo. Her name is Helen. And this is Mommy Sally. Lila, that's not Lila. That is Spot. Okay? And this is Mommy Sally. And this is his friend. Okay? Helen Hippo. There you go. Let's all go to the park, Spot. It's so nice today. You see? And Spot is going to the park because it is very nice outside. Hello. So you're back. Okay. Who's with Spot? It's Alan Hippo. They are friends. See? They are friends. They're going to the park. This is Helen Hippo. And this is Spot. My Spot and my Helen Hippo. Very good. And Spot says, "Great, Mom! I want to go to the park." Mrs. Helen, there is a box. Miguel said there is a box. Yes, there is a box. You can stay beside me and tell me what's inside the box. Come on, Spot. What are you doing? Says Mommy Sally. Tell us what he's doing, Miguel. Open the box. I'm getting my ball. You see? Thank you, Helen. You can stay near Spot. You see what Spot is doing? He's looking inside his yellow box because he wants a ball. Oh dear, do we have a ball? Yes, we do have a ball. I have a red red ball. Okay? It is a very happy ball. Let's show it to everybody. You see? So Spot was looking for a ball. I throw it and catch it. I throw it and catch it. And Lila can hold it for me. Come and help me, Miguel. Come and help me. Okay? So, there's Mommy Sally. There is Helen Hippo. There is a bird. There is a bird. You see this blue bird on the fence? Oh, yes. He repeats what I say, oh, yeah. And this is a blue bird. Do you know what bird this is? This is called a kookaburra bird. That's right. Kookaburra bird sits in the old gum tree. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Love, kookaburra love. Kookaburra day, your day must be. He's looking at the dog. He's looking. What are you looking for? Tell us, tell us. Spot is looking for something behind the fence. Oh, look who he meets. He meets the tortoise. Hello, tortoise. And tortoise says, where are you going? We have a tortoise. I think we have one. Yes, we do. There she is, look. And she says, would you like to hold tortoise? Would you like to hold tortoise? Come and hold tortoise, come on. Yes, yes. You can hold tortoise if you like. Can he hold it, please? Here you go, here you go. Here you go. Somewhere. And what did he say? He said, we're going to the park. We're going with Mama Sally and my friend Helen Hippo. And they are chasing pigeons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pigeons. Helen, Spot, don't chase the pigeons. They're chasing the pigeons. They're running after them. But Spot said, I only want to play. I'm not doing anything to the pigeons. I only want to play. Come, Liv, come. That's right. You see what he said? I only want to play. Very good. Okay, where's Paul? That's right. Lila, come beside me, come. Come beside me. Look what's happening. Look. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Uh-oh. And Spot threw the ball. And look who has it. Elephant has it. And this is, oops. Where did the ball go? And let's see where it went. Show me, show me. It went there. Elephant was reading the newspaper. And he said, it's right here. That's right. Oh, do we have elephant? Yes, we do. This is the elephant who was reading the newspaper. Very good. Okay. Let's take elephant and put Helen on the floor. Well done. Spot likes this wins. Look, Mama Sally is holding the ball for Spot. And Spot He is swinging. Now, let's see what Helen said. Helen said, my turn next. And if Helen is sitting on the swing, Scott will have to push her. Okay? Let's try, Tyler. My turn next, says Helen. That's right. What happened next? Oh, look what fun they're having. They're going through the tunnels. Helen went through the yellow one, and Tom went through the red one. And look, behind the bush, there is Crocodile. my story. Did you like my story today? Yes. And after I read my book, what do? I take off my reading hat. So reading hat is ready, the book is ready, and it is clean up time. Clean up, clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean